Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and I'm at the age in my life now where I just want to be comfy all the time. These slides from Weweya are super comfy. Do you remember moon shoes? Well, think moon shoes without the risk of rolling your ankles. I can jump up and down on this hard floor and not feel it underneath of my feet. Some slides are cushy when you first put them on, but after a while you sink down and do start to feel the floor, but not with these. These are so pillowy soft. If you have a wider foot or maybe a problem with swelling, these shoes would be great because these buckles are not just decorative like they usually are on a lot of slides, but they're actually functional, which I think is really cool. So if you needed to widen it or even take it off completely, depending on if you're having any issues, this would be a really great option. So if you're looking for house shoes or even a summer shoe for outdoors, this Weweya slide is an awesome way to go. They're super comfy. I love them, and that's my point of view.